Yeah, bushia for makwa ba ereba Kinwu Sports e wo YouTube, Kinwu Sports e wo TikTok. E bushia for me dem say be am hwem video, mo share, mo like na mo subscribe ma me. De bia say exclusive nko an na de bebra mu. Update nko an na de bebra mu from the camp of Ekrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Kotoko must be great again. E bushia for we dey exclusive interview with former Asante Kotoko goalkeeper Fredrick Asare. Currently osi akan Edema Durban City ɛwɔ South Africa. Na exclusive pa interview a abusuapɛni Samia Champon ɛne na ayɛ afa ne current club Durban City ɛne deɛ ɛkɔ so wɔ hɔ ɛne deɛ ɔdreami sɛ in future ɔno Fredrick Asare ɔbɛ achieve ɛwɔ football mu. Ɔredi nkɔmmɔ kakra so ɛfa Black Stars ɛne World Cup a Ghanafoɔ ɛbɔ na abusuafoɔ you enjoy it. Na wohwɛ Fredrick Asare a wohu sɛ tɛlɛ ahoɔfɛ no aba paa, ahoɔfɛ no aba yie papapɔɔpa. Wei deɛ Kɔtɔkɔfoɔ yɛafe no papapɔɔpa yɛnya no a nke yɛbɛsan de no aba club no but sisi adeɛ ɔyɛ goalkeeper de ma Durban City ɛwɔ South Africa. Abusuapɛni Samia Champon ɛne no atwetwe nkɔmmɔ exclusive. Womiyɛ nkɔtie nkɔmmɔ no yɛbɛsan aba sisi a.
Sir, ɛne ɛwɔ boss o. Well, how am I boss? Akwa babio. Positive. E what is saying?
Bibia boko.
Season ye twam nema ko ye kakra ma.
Bibia ko ye. Bibia ko ye.
Net saying one kasa work say so positive. This is net saying.
Make me say both mixed feelings. Both on and off because nyama kakra betwe mu ansa na mesume timi nya opportunity timi boy. The positive side is to say it's me winning cup, the Nedman Cup, which is like the FA Cup or Ghana has it. You know, there was a lot of positives. Yeah.
What ball Ghana league no? No, what ball South Africa? You know, what compared to leagues now? Standards and everything.
And they made me I can say competitiveness. You know, the South African league, you know, I more more tactical. More tactical, and Ghana then more physical. Okay. The difference in shit I need too much.
At Durban City, what relationship with other players, no? It's the same.
Very good because we are very welcoming players, no. Technical staff, management, to be we are very welcoming, you know. Relationship need to meet me. I say very good. Free time I may call her anytime I be feeling, you know. Maybe I okay.
Maybe Miss House can like how much you take and how much you be, but what Ghana league nibi? I'm yet yaoka, what South Africa yet. In terms of Sikasem, no Ghana ne South African league no. It's the same. Made imagine South Africa then was right. It's the same.
Oh, there was a me free Kotoko, and I'm called Durban City. Moshe Kotoko salary on the ma I think say it's almost the same as the Biame one. And the difference in share and too much, sir.
Then the seven crying say Koso na Siakama Durban City.
Not me per se mean change of environment. Na me per se means system kakra. And no me management and me boost for Kasaya no. That's the decision I fire say no yanko. Nyanko the same environment in I think it's a very cool place, a very good. Omo welcome me, omo very good professional and you know. I didn't shame in crying say me koso about Durban City.
Therefore, your name Fredrick Asare, former goalkeeper and captain Edema Asante Kotoko. Black Stars, already were dear cutting woman ye pass. Say, would one team our Durban City in South Africa, and who didn't Germany and no a din come away. Now, I'm Fredrick. Last season, which follow Asante Kotoko Kakra.
Pa, anya kakra.
What comments Asante Kotoko performance last season?
Met me aka say it's one of the seasons. It's one of the seasons. Sometimes things like this happens because I think now recruitment is good. The coaching staff, also no more quality coaching staff, but it's unfortunate. Say now resource number the management here. The only me be a 2-4. Yamekese or say to no see the obey me be but quite unfortunate say resource number. Yeah.
wabo team ne bi da wa serve ye supporters ne buafu edu baby stadium kra no mo so mo nsi ho bio wo nkransense mbe ma Asante Kotoko supporters na last season anko yi Fredrick Asare esisen
o me de niemo e ka che o mo ne se baby o mo bia me chiacho bia de mo ka che o mo ne se e ya botere because niame be hu Kotoko ni mu se supporters no Kotoko ni o makoma enti no bibi kakra etochima no omo nye happy with it ayesa na ayese ibufu kakra ba ne sanya but normal because omo eche omo frustrations say nyama nkoya how they show their frustrations and it's normal but they me work at you say omo nya abotre season e come is going to be a better season because obi ehun say omo toto nyama yie and no bibia be okay.
Asante Kotoko supporters my former captain Fredrick Asare na kasa you o say munya abotre na next season bibia ebe kama fari mama misa Black Stars ejina World Cup num wakobida what Black Stars num wanya time ene mo 1990 kakra as a local player woko from Black Stars num a ya na feeling it say how do you adapt to stars or move free outside eba
Nyeme can say Black Stars on any local player and any professional player. Everyone is treated the same. And you know, say ebi wo ha man for because oh we a local player or coin. It depends on yourself how you carry yourself. And you know kwana akoyo homo then it's up to you. And our players no more on any technical members no. They don't treat someone as local player and then someone as professional. They treat everyone equally. Into honoma you feel at home, you do whatever you can do and then like you put up your best in training and all that.
See, we are just a local player and the World Cup team in Benjamin Asare of Hattifolk. You find say Ben 8 year nka dia asem na obeka kire no kwan be no mfa so adapt say no ka say intuitive obi local obi professional no won so den na yesa wo yenka afutu be na adema Benjamin Asare.
Okay, near meka kire ni say first of all I'm congratulating you for making the final squad to the World Cup. I think say a very positive man on in a Busuani club or boy. Kakra me catch and say, Sana Okoya or yeah obeda pull him in the qualifying matches no for the World Cup no on course one year. The way I know training intensity, everything on keeping on your calm, on your very calm. Into no or opportunity bar na ultimate utilizing no.
Okay. We hope say Black Stars no be say bem ana
that is the goal.
Where we?
That be me yeah, me
Not ready.
yeah.
Hey, back to the Black Stars.
Unfinished business.
Wow.
Yeah, me you know. I think say for now no. Nyame way and say I have to put up my best.
Yes.
Because after the World Cup no, I'm sure say the coaches also give opportunity to all players around the world.
We wish new dream way there. The Bompire Tower, which is Emrem, Nanka Black Stars, and the same room. But towards the end of the season, you will say, oh, enjoy a lot of playing time. Deban City, Emma, play of the week, goalkeeper of the week. And no, not open walk up a consider a ginger was
oh, no, crying. I mean, him not on say, na Martini Fiache because of injury situations. You know, many opportunity. No, I felt say it was a time and I miss match near meeting me. And those games, no, like the game beat is a Pirates game, no. But they wanted to win the cup the next day, and then I also told myself, "So maybe win the cup, no, but it shouldn't be Debbie." Yes.
Wow. It's Fredrick Asare, former Asante Kotoko captain over Black Stars. Wabobida, any didn't come away. Freddie, so on the World Cup, Black Stars, GDN no form. Assemble na bekache Black Stars. Young fan say, Omuti yen, and our opportunity be to address the instance of Wabobida, you know. The Assam now bekache team.
Me Kakra me can say, it's a good opportunity not to sell only their family, but also to sell the whole Ghana to the world. I mean, you call so many World Cups, but I think we're a special one because it's hosted by 3 countries. And you know, nyombe timiaya ebema omwameni ebeji. Nyombe timiaya ebema Ghana ni beji. Nyombe timiaya ebema wiase nyina ati Ghana nkano. I believe this is the time for them to do it. And you know, sana ya from I think they all deserve it. And you know, ya from Bibia was someone ombe showcase Ghana and themselves. I think this is the time for them to do it.
And Ghana for instance said every kind them no form. I say o compare we need the weakest team they call World Cup any day. Ghana for instance they are saying obeka
Ghana for the America was amunya very calm because a new technical direction and aba I think they are not maybe convinced with a new marketing kitty but me the Mijidi say Ghana be on yadia into omunya butre na akuma pa omodia supporting team no, since they won through the qualifying round no, they should keep that spirit.
My question can be sa name say we ya no but so ma me misa o Ghana e group L Ghana, Panama, England, Croatia. Ebi e fan say na one analyze ya a very difficult group. And now your team non so say mo say yen quality no from kakra. Then na ma wo ye so sure was avim say Ghana be and how far do you hope say Ghana beat me?
First of all, your quality in uniform. Yeah, uniform.
Not me compared to 2014 team, no.
Yeah.
2010, dear no. I say, as a young team, warrior boys, no more active. Our club side, no more top football. Europe near the local players are no moving. Very active. Africa, no, but say no. I say, boys, no club football, no. I said, I don't think I make us a
quality. I don't say make me say both bad with injuries, but I think they are going to do well. They are going to do well. I think say na me welcome because
you beat me a Kobe saying
for now the focus is to be out of the group stages. Okay. From the group stages now, then we can see how far we can go. But see there with the quality I work in the team now, no, I think the target now is to be out of the group stages, and then from the group stages, that is football. Anything can happen.
Fredrick Asare, former Capito at the Asante Kotoko, former Blasters goalkeeper, say Blasters in there. He hopes and wishes so beat me as a review. For the young hardy, offer Ghana young group now. Over Reti, Ghana, you qualify, you win the group no. You do second, and now 3, 8 teams or more detailed or more records in the young between a Ghana, and I hear corner saying.
Maybe Reti Ghana in the top 2. Okay. First or second?
First
or second. Yeah.
How was it? What about
Aye.
Never know what's true.
Hey, 1 year, how come this can I can't sing really first?
Wow.
Aye.
Wow.
Aye. Yeah. Anytime we discuss the Ghana group, no. He feels that, his own opinion say, something that has just not clicked, and once it clicks, this team can be unstoppable.
Wow. But for you, Shadia, say, Asante Kotoko goalkeeping, menka so be asa, but that's a problem with Hokaka. So Kotoko approach you, says Abra. Fredrick Asare, are you ready?
Yes, this is me.
Omo number 1 no.
Yeah.
Eko. Nti ye bia ye di nkomo ya the new board. The shop at nka na bia call bia ba. Say your person want Fred Kasa no sa babaka. Fredrick Asare you ready to come back?
Said make us some year margin. And yeah,
and I'm a mouse me about. Mama be shop you that. Some many be what. Many be I do ventures brother for 2 seasons.
I say Ejuma na nyame nkwa na me.
Yeah.
Me ne me boss, management and my family. Into the yen nyina ese entena se ni discuss it. Ni who the way forward. Na into me make a decision.
Oh, okay. Enti Fredrick Asare and na ye ni de. So one who
hey. Me no no captain no. I can't person busa no questions where 3. So be
ma miskadi af ma na ma
okay.
Saying the men me mean.
Na say saying.
Who was saying? You better a war. K1 pub. Now, manager know how don't see any bidding come Freddy. And Chenami Jawa Mwako. Also, what question?
I only parity bon. Nami Shebi. Na game no we na me follow South Africa websites no. So grab headlines no pa. Go into that game and after that game no how has it changed on Yoma because a game and South Africa a new hopper because a top liner and
earlier okay I was say not Paris from somebody but I said so he was determined and Nuntina
game no.
But was it we were when he will grow more so I'm a Paris why the cap now until will be say how has it affected and our performance will be a lose him for
yeah we quite a man for him after the game no I think said the publicity no ama me din question pa and Paris supporters need here I'm so many I'm crying on bubble me.
Wow. So I'm more man you cap.
Yeah. But it was a positive one. As I grow so they were very happy with
finally
performance.
Fred open South Africa why na and it's what going to be a Europe and now be movement be North Africa hot baby. It's the same.
Me na my plan is saying I bought South Africa just a season. Then I move on to Europe because Europe the dream was to play in Europe. It's here the dream no say after this season the Europe is a target.
Contacts be bad deals but manager more man.
And this a manager every year no.
Okay. Every year that CP will bring when your mind wakuma 87.9 FM so Yami Sharpa no ma also die so and what did you do no. Emre.
Patrick,
Fredrick Asare, former captain.